Hi again, first grade. So here you are with level 1, game 2, make 10 spinner game. Now you'll notice it's in a plastic sheet like this, okay? That's because we don't want anybody actually writing on the page inside. So leave it in the plastic sheet. And so that you can write on the plastic sheet, you're going to need a dry erase marker and you're going to need an eraser. Okay? Now, if you're in Miss Hayes' class, you may not have socks as erasers, but that's what we have in Miss Briscoe's class. So a dry erase marker, an eraser, you've got your game board that you're going to leave in the plastic cover. You will also need one stick of tin. You will need a pencil, and you will need a paper clip, and these two parts are going to be to create your spinner. So, up here you have your blank tin frame, then you have your spinner, and then you have this prompt right here, blank and blank make 10. Alright, so your first step is to place the paper clip right in the center point, and then use the tip of your pencil, don't stab it in there, but make sure it's secure, to hold the paper clip down, like that. Okay? And then give a little boop, and mine landed on 2. Okay? So I'm going to first represent 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to record with my dry erase marker that first number of 2. Okay? Now I need to figure out how many more do I need to get to 10. Well, I know that a filled up tin frame is going to give me 10. So I've already got the 2. Let's count the blank ones to figure out how many more we need to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to record the number 8. And now I'm going to place 8 more blocks or counters, whatever you want to call these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And then I would tell my partner, 2 and 8 make 10. Then it's my job to put the stick of 10 back together. And I'm going to make sure I have 10 every single time so that it's ready for my partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's ready for my partner, but I also have to clear off my work. So I'm going to grab my eraser. Now it's ready for my buddy. Okay, so pretend like my buddy is Miss Hayes. Now it's Miss Hayes' turn. She's going to place the point of the pencil through the edge or the end of the paper clip. She's going to give a little whoosh, and hers landed on 3. Okay. So first she needs to represent the number 3. Alright guys, why don't you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count the blanks to figure out how many more I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to record that number. Then I'm going to put down 7 more blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, you might notice I did something a little bit different this time. For my first number of 3, I placed the blocks so that the hole shows at the top. But when I got to my second number of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I put them on their side so that I could easily see my first number of 3 and then my second number of 7. I can differentiate between the two. That's a strategy you might want to try. Alright, so now Miss Hayes' turn is done, so think about what does she need to do first to get ready for me? Well, she's got to put her stick of 10 back together. She's going to double check that there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's ready for me. She's going to clear off her numbers, and she's going to hand me the pencil, which has magically disappeared, my friends. All right, here we go. Okay, now it's back to Miss Briscoe's turn. Pencil goes on this center point. Give it a little swoosh. Now, I've kind of landed in the middle, so I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to pick 5. Okay. So first I'm going to record the number 5. Then I'm going to represent the number of 5 with objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how the holes are pointing up to the sky. Okay, I know some of that's kind of hard to see because it's dark in here. I don't know if you can see that hole, but I promise you it's there. Now I'm going to find out how many blank ones left that I need to fill up to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to record 5. Now I'm going to represent 5 with my blocks on their side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can easily see 5 with the holes towards the sky and 5 laying on their side. And then I would say to my partner, Miss Hayes, 5 and 5 make 10. All right? And you would keep playing this game until it's time to clean up. When it is time to clean up, make sure these dudes are in a stick of 10 and that they are placed neatly back in their container. And before you put this game board away, make sure that you have cleared off your answers. Alright, then it would be time for you to clean up all the way. Alright, again, that was level 1, game 2, make 10 spinner game. If you don't quite get it yet, watch this video as many times as you need.